Buju genoa bidaske kwe endai ama. Dungum endayan nijwaswe oshke ekadowanan ojibwe no kiwen. So I have 7 new words for you to learn for today for our Ojibwe work. How? Let's start with the first one. Meet the basic. Majik tamen. O. Ishpin giwa banan o mazanakizon kida kidod ne ma. Ne ma. Ne mama. You, my mother. Ne mama. Aha, miu. Nijing oshke kedowana nungom. O. Ishpin giwa banan o oshke ekedowanan. You geda ekedod in day. In day. In day. My dad. In day. Aha, ishpin giwa banan geda ekedod in day. Mi koyak onejeshen. Aha, niswe oshke ekedowana nungom. O giwa banan o ishpin geda wabanan ishpin giwa kana wabanan iu geda ekedod nu komes. My grandmother or my grandma. Nu komes geda ekedod ishpin giwa banan o mazanakizon geda ekedod nu komes. Mi koyak. How niwen oshke ekedowana nungum. Miwa banan o. Niwen oshke ekedowanan mazanakizon geda ekedod iu nemeshomes. My grandfather or my grandpa ishpin giwa banan iu geda ekedod nemeshomes. Ge getsena nemeshomes. Aha, naning oshke ekedowana nungum. Miwa banan o. Iu nanin oshke ekedowanan geda ekedod nisaye. You can say that one with your nose. Nisaye. Older brother. This one is older brother. Minawaga ekedod ishpin giwa banan o geda ekedod nisaye. Ha, mi goyak. Ingo dwaswe oshke ekedowanan. Miwa banana o. Nemese. Ishpin giwa banana o geda ekedod nemese. Kimi a gejanj ekedod nemese. Ishpin giwa ekedod wegunish geda ekedod nemese. Mi goyak. Oh, ew. This is older sister. Mino giwa banana o. Nijwaso oshke kedowanan. Wiwa banana o. Wegunesha o. Ishpigi giwa banan geda ekedod nishime. Aha, wegunesh giwi. Ishpigi dawa banana iu. Geda ekedod nishime. Kinatam. Mi goyak onejeshen. Aha, mi shigwa giwa banan. O nijwasho oshke gunawanan nungo miga kina. Nishime, I forgot to say, this one is younger brother or younger sister. This one does not have a specific gender. This one is just anybody who's younger than you, and that's your sibling. You can use a lot of these family terms for like cousins too. Some people refer to their aunties as like their second mother. You could say mama. Sometimes you also have older cousins that are, if they're older, like an older female cousin, you could call them your older sister because you hang out with them so much they might as well be your sibling. Ha, mio minik, mi gwich bizidawian, kegawaban waiba.